Hey everyone! In today's quick HTML tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a simple and clean employee information table using just HTML. If you're a beginner, this is a great way to learn about tables, rows, and columns in HTML. Let's get started. First, we begin with the basic structure and HTML document. The doc.py.html at the top tells the browser we're writing in HTML5. Then we define the language as English and set the page title to employee information.
Now inside the body, we use the table tag to create our table. We add a border equal sign, 1 inch so the table lines are visible. Then we create the header row using the tr tag and 3 th tags, 1 for ID no, 1 for employee name, and 1 for salary.
Every time I start to slip away, and I surrender, there's no more falling down, I've hit the ground, so I surrender. And I surrender. There's no more falling down, I've hit the ground.
Next, we add the actual employee data using more tr rows. Each row contains 3 td tags, 1 for ID, 1 for name, and 1 for salary. For example, our first row shows Nafis with ID 1001 and a salary of 50,000. Similarly, do this for Sajal. And that's it. You've now created a working HTML table to display employee information. You can add more rows, customize the styling with CSS, or even turn it into a dynamic table later with JavaScript. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beginner-friendly web tutorials every week.